Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're looking to elevate your living space, then you're in the right place. Today we're diving into the world of mezzanine design ideas. Whether you want to maximize your space or add a unique touch to your home, we've got you covered. So let's get started. Soft music plays in the background, showcasing different styles of mezzanines: industrial, modern, rustic. First up, let's talk about the benefits of a mezzanine. Not only do they create an open, airy feel, but they also offer a fantastic opportunity to utilize vertical space. You can transform an unused area into a cozy nook, an office, or even a mini library. Now, if you're a fan of contemporary design, consider going for a minimalist look. Use clean lines, neutral colors, and open shelving to keep the space feeling light and spacious. Check out this beautiful setup with an unobtrusive railing that allows for unobstructed views. On the flip side, if you love warmth and character, a rustic mezzanine might be your vibe. Think exposed beams, reclaimed wood, and cozy textiles. This style creates an inviting atmosphere, perfect for relaxation. Need to get some work done? A mezzanine can be a great spot for a home office. With the right furniture and lighting, you can create an inspiring workspace. Just make sure to incorporate plenty of natural light to keep your energy up. don't be afraid to get creative. Add unique features like a reading nook with plush cushions or a mini bar for entertaining guests. The possibilities are endless. And for those with kids, a mezzanine can become an adventure zone. Think playrooms with fun colors, storage for toys, and a little creativity to make it a magical space for children. Feeling inspired to tackle a mezzanine project yourself? DIY is a fantastic way to personalize your space while saving some cash. Just remember to plan carefully and consider the structural elements of your home. So there you have it. Mezzanine design ideas that cater to every style and need. Which one was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more design inspiration. Until next time, happy decorating.